So I've been asked to give some help for homework section 12.3 question 2. As I like to say, please get in the habit of checking out view and example. This will have a same kind of problem with a different data set, so you can grab the data set, take it over to Excel, crunch on it there, compare it to the numbers you get here, like this ANOVA table, and continue on right through the problem, and see how it uses that information. Alright, so a company produces a single product on 3 production lines that use different equipment. The production manager is considering changing the layouts of the lines and would like to know what effects different layouts would have on production output. Suppose that the manager measured the average output for each line over 3 randomly selected weeks using each of the 3 layouts under consideration. The output in hundreds of units produced was measured for each of the lines, for each line for each of the 4 weeks for each layout being evaluated. The results were shown in the accompanying table. Complete parts A through C below. Alright, so let's grab this, and the fact that alpha is 0.025, so we are going put that in, and that in, so that we have it. The hypotheses, the null is that they do not interact. The alternative is that they do interact. P-value, so we need to run data analysis, 2-factor with replication, click OK. For the input, you must include the headers along the top and the headers along the left. Data comes in groups of 3. We have line and layout meet. That's a group of 3. Alpha was 0.025. And I like my output somewhere near my data, so I think we'll put it right here. Click OK. And we need the p-value for interaction. So I'm going to scroll down. And interaction is right here. Line a little bit. Anyway, interactions right here. P-value is right here. It wants 3 decimals. So I'm going to highlight all the p-values. Oops, changing the number. And 3 decimals. So 0.760. Alpha, p-value less than alpha, reject. This is greater than, so let's do not reject. The null hypothesis, so they do not interact. So we're looking at D. At the 0.025 level of significance, can the production manager conclude that there's a difference in mean output across the 3 production lines? Okay, the lines are in columns, so we're going to look at here. So the p-value is 0.029. There's 3 production lines, so the mu of each production line is equal would be the null hypothesis, and they're not all equal would be that. Now find the p-value for the production lines, which we already got. There we go. P-value less than alpha. Alpha is 0.025, so this is larger, so it's do not reject. Again at the 0.025, let's see, there are 3 layouts. Yeah, so 3 layouts. So we got B1, B2, B3 are equal for the different means. Not all layout means are equal for our hypotheses. And p-value we have left is 0. So that is reject the null hypothesis sufficient that not all means are equal. And we're done.